then shake, and boom, bam, shake, and boom, bam, shake.
All right.
I'm ready.
All right, so now I've caught up with the Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, the Honorable Olivia Babsy Grange. Now, you just met these ladies, and I'm sure you're quite impressed by them, right?
I'm very impressed. We're looking at really good representatives of each parish.
Yeah.
And I know that at the finals, the competition will be stiff.
Yeah, man, it's going to be a very
They're all talented,
Yes.
very intelligent, they're well poised, full of grace, and they seem to all be very focused.
Yes, yes.
And so I am impressed with them, and I look forward to being at the contest to really see them perform. They're all winners, you know.
Yes, they are, but there can only be one.
Well, they're winners of their parishes.
True,
So they are
already,
all
yes,
queens,
yes.
right? They're all queens. But on the night,
Yes.
there'll be one national queen,
Yeah.
and the judges will have a very difficult time selecting that one individual.
And it's going to be quite difficult, especially if you ask your secret question, because I didn't know that you had that power where you might say, you know what, I feel like I want to really test this lady, or these ladies with a special question, like, so you can, you do that sometimes and say, hey, I think I want to lean with a gender question, or, something about entertainment.
I'm going to be coming up with a very special question.
Oh, man.
In fact, what I'm going to do,
Yes.
I'm going to come up with 4 questions
Yes.
covering each portfolio.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So we get a little scoop right here on the DuttyBerryShow. Okay, Drew, Dutty.
Gender,
Yes.
entertainment, culture, and sports.
And sport. Okay, love that. So right now I want to find out, like, why each year, like, have a pageant like the Miss Festival Queen year after year. What is so important or valuable about this competition?
Well, what's interesting is that this competition came out of the Miss Jamaica competition in the early days when Mr. Seaga was the Minister of Culture. But the Miss Jamaica became Miss Jamaica World, and the franchise was taken by private sector.
Yes.
But we continued the competition focusing on cultural ambassadors. And so it's not a beauty contest.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a pageant that is identifying ladies who are representative of Jamaica, young women who are role models.
Yes.
Young women who, it's not about beauty, because beauty is only skin deep.
Yes.
It's about that individual, that person, that personality who can transmit to others that warmth and engaging
Yes.
personality that makes each and every one comfortable.
Yes.
That person who knows about the Jamaican culture, Jamaican heritage.
Yes.
That person who can go anywhere in the world and be a good ambassador.
Yes, for Jamaica.
That's right. And also young women whose career can be molded through this experience.
Yeah, that is it. Yes.
That's what it is
Because it's a
about.
great platform, it's a great
That's
platform for
right.
any young lady, yeah.
We have many former festival queens who have done very well.
Gone on to become nation builders.
That's right.
Yeah.
We have Jenny, Delia Harris, and many more. Some are professionals, lawyers, doctors.
In politics.
Politics. So it's really been an excellent competition that unearths talent that gives every Jamaican woman from all walks of life, that young woman, a chance to be projected as a role model.
Between me and you, basically, like, we're looking around the room. You see anybody, like any two
No,
people
but
really, see two people where say, you know what, I feel like between them two people there.
No, don't test me.
You know, see no parish where you say, boy, they want to...
You want to get me in trouble, I'm not going to let you do that.
We'll talk off here, so final question though. I'm very passionate about like pageants, and I've always said, if there's any pageant that's supposed to have a male counterpart or stuff, it should be the festival queen, that it should have a festival king. And I'm like, probably not so much for the other pageants, but I feel like for like a festival competition where it's about a cultural ambassador, I feel like there are many cultural ambassadors, because if that competition is about, me know me would enter. I would have
Well, it's
heard.
something to think about.
I would love for
But
you to
there-
think
there
about it.
was
There's
a
a Miss,
time-
there's a Mr. Jamaica now.
Yes, there was a time in the early days when we had the costume competition where we'd have the
Oh.
king and the
And the queen.
of costumes, which is more like the Trinidad
Yes.
carnival experience.
Okay, yeah.
And many Jamaicans, we have very good designers,
Mm-hmm.
and many Jamaicans design fantastic costumes, and we would crown the winning costume
Yes.
for the king and the winning costume for the queen. I hope we'll return to those days
Yeah,
sometime.
that's
in
it.
the
I'd
future.
hope that at some point the ministry is
Then we
able to
can
like.
find the right costume for you.
Yeah, man. No, I know. You know, people. We can get something, man. But yeah, that's all I say. Like, I think about it. The Mr.
Yes.
Festival King
Yes.
and Queen, because I feel like the men also are contributing to the
That's
culture
right.
and would also love a platform to really
And
start
they
off
would
their
be
career.
good role models as well.
Oh, thank you, sir. Seeing that I'm a good role model. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm emotional. Anyway, bye. Any scoop for Grand Gala for the people who plan to come? Any little thing you can tell me right now?
Well, I can tell them the place sold out already.
Oh,
By the way, admission is free.
Okay, yes.
So don't let anybody come to you with a ticket to say
$5
they're
grand.
selling it to you. It's free. Now we have in excess of 40,000 people who have already requested tickets.
Including
but
me.
the stadium can only accommodate under 35,000. And the grandstand alone is only 5,000. But grandstand and bleachers, all the seats are equal at this point. I want to just say to everyone, if you cannot get a ticket to come in the stadium, you can watch it. It's streamed live on various social media platforms. It's live on television, and it is live on radio.
Okay. Well.
So you can access
Use those
it.
medium,
You can use
yeah.
those medium.
Yeah, I will definitely
right.
try to use my link right now, because that's also something that in a pageant like this, you have to learn the power of networking. So I'm going to net and work with you so that I can find a place inside of the National Stadium on Grand Gala Day so I can watch and see what outfit you wear. Because I know you plan out that from a long time, okay?
Yes.
So,
I also want to add, last year we did 300 drones.
how much you doing this year?
700.
Wait, what?
700 drones.
It's because Olympics year, so
Yes, it's a special year.
Mm.
And the women of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, they celebrate their 75th anniversary of women joining the force.
That's great.
And so they're going to be doing a special segment, a special section in the gala.
To celebrate that, yeah.
Where they're doing some of the things the men do.
Oh, the stunts and stuff, and
That's right. And then the Chinese celebrate the 170th
yeah.
anniversary of the arrival of the Chinese in Jamaica. And they will also be doing a very special display, the dragon dance,
And all of that,
of
yeah.
course. And of course, we're going to have fireworks, great fireworks, and we are taking donations through the Red Cross, who will be there
Okay.
towards assisting with relief efforts
Nice.
and rehabilitation for those who have suffered in the hurricane.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
just going to be a grand show. By the way, Third World will be our special guest.
No, how you get third world? No, honestly, this is what you call about links, because third world not just pop up for anybody. Yeah, I keep on forget. This is a legend right here. Okay, one
And
phone call.
That's right.
Whoa.
And they will be recognized as one of our musical icons.
Nice.
We're also going to have Beanie Man and Bounty Killer being recognized as national icons.
No man, so this is
musical
a show
icons.
of the summer.
That's right.
Okay.
And of course, we're going to recognize Mrs.
Noah Lyles.
Pat-
Oh, okay. The fastest man alive, Noah Lyles.
Mrs. Patricia Chin from BP Records.
Okay.
Because, the Chinese has contributed to the growth of reggae music. You had Aquarius Studios, you had Channel One, so many studios that I have actually gone in and produced songs. You have Baron Lee and
Yeah.
And VP Records has lasted all through those years, and they are the largest reggae record company in the world at this time.
Facts, yeah.
So we will also be recognizing, as we say, Miss Pat. from BP Records. It's going to be a great evening.
Oh,
the Governor
Lord.
General will be there, Prime Minister
Everyone,
will be there.
and Dutty Berry will be there.
And
hopefully.
Dutty Berry
Thank
will
you.
be there.
I can't wait for the day when we get recognized too. Jeez, one
You'll
day.
be recognized
Oh,
one
see
day
there?
soon.
I want to do the little shuffle and then you go up there. You know, they get your honor and your I can't wait for that day. All
Your
right?
day will come.
Thank you very much. All right, take care.
All
Minister
right, bless
Grange,
you.
always nice seeing you. All right,
Bless
take
you.
care. Yeah.
Which one is that?
What's the name?
What about the Kumina Boogie? What about the Kumina Boogie?
Oh, this one.
Oh, breakdown yata?
Yeah, exactly. This one?
Yes, that.
Yeah, shake it to the. Okay.
We can just leave it there. No matter.
Hold on a set up in the formation.
What she said. Can we just say what this is about?
Okay. I wasn't here, so you have to show me. So go get the DJ to play this one.
Yes. So we're going to do a semicircle.
Yes.
Yes. You can do the Garrett.